Hello, in this video we'll be introduced to African dramas, that is dramas written by Africans. And first on the list we'll be treating The Blood of a Stranger by Dele Charlie. By the end of this video we'll be able to give a plot account of the drama, also the setting, the themes, the characters used by Dele Charlie to drive home the message of the drama, and also we will treat the language and style. We'll be able to tell what language and style used by Dele Charlie to drive home the message. And at the tail end of the video, we will be discussing past questions of SSC and UTME as students preparing for examinations.